Hi, I'm Kellaprice from Healthy Fit. This is our animal movement workout. I think you're gonna love it. Our protocol is 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of rest. We have a mat for some of the exercises. Go ahead and start your fitness watch if you have it. Our first move is seal jacks. Arms are out. We're gonna open and close, open and close. Like a seal. Arf, arf. You can make seal noises if you want. Arms out, like nice and flat. How are you doing? Well, this is gonna warm up our body. Each move today is gonna be like an animal. Super fun. Couple more seconds. Walking to the back of your mat. Frog jumps. So your feet are gonna be wide. Get down in that frog pose. And we're gonna hop to the front. Ribbit, ribbit. Nice and light, and back. Getting your butt down. Keep your chest up, Isaac. Get that butt down. Frog sounds optional. Michael, get down. Nice and low. Ribbit, ribbit. Landing softly. You're a quiet frog. Softer. Nice and soft. Ribbit. We've got 20 seconds left. Are you feeling it in your legs, your quad muscles? Couple more. Forward and back. Whew. That was a tough one. Nice job, boys. Gorilla walks. Gorillas walk on their hands. Getting down. We're gonna put our hands down and move our legs softly. Shuffle it back. Gorilla walking to the front. Michael's a fast gorilla. Apes are super strong.
And apes are loud.
You got this. Come on. 15 seconds left. Use your arms to swing your body through. 5 seconds left. One more time through. Come on. Woo. All right. Our next move. Duck walk. We're getting it nice and low. Feet are wide. Walking forward and back. Forward and back. Isaac, you can get lower. Nice and low. Quack, quack. Nice and low. Getting your butt down. This will really help with your hip flexibility. Come on. Stay low. Forward and back. Duck walk it back, boys. Quack, quack. Can you get lower? Come on. Woo. Get a sip of water if you need it. How's your heart rate? Do you feel like you're doing good work? Inchworm push up. Find the back of your mat. Roll it down. Walk it out. On your knees or toes. Push up. You're like an inchworm. Nice long spine. Squeezing your back so you're flat like a board. Looking down at the floor in between your hands. Great job, boys. Couple more. Finish strong. Good Good job. We're breaking the sweat here. How about you? We're gonna lay down for this next move. Clams. Your feet are gonna be bent. You're on your elbow, under your shoulder. Your legs are gonna open, squeeze, close. Open, close. We're gonna do 20 seconds on this side, and then we're gonna flip over. Squeeze it close. So when you open, you're using your adductor on the outside of your leg, and as you close, I want you to use the natural resistance of the inside of your leg. Switch sides, flip it over. Keep your feet together, stack your elbow under your shoulder, like a clamshell. Coming to all fours, we're gonna be bears now. Okay, start in a tabletop position, nice flat back. Prop yourself up on your toes. The closer your knees are to the floor, the more challenging. We're gonna walk it forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Looking down at the ground, kind of in front of your hands, not at your feet. You're doing great. Try to stay up off your knees, Isaac. Get up off your knees. Prop yourself up on your toes, using your core. Prop yourself up on your toes. Butt down. Couple seconds left. Whew. Next move, plank to down dog. Our plank is either going to be on our knees or toes. Get yourself set up. Then you're going to come up into your dog. Toes under, press back. Pressing your heels to the floor. Plank. Hands should be stacked under your shoulders. Plank to down dog. Isaac wanted to add a push-up in his. You don't have to, but this is your workout. If you want to do something extra, you can be extra. Feel that good stretch. Exhale, nice long line through your core, like you have a board on your back. I love this stretch. All right, coming down to your knees. Our next move is a bird dog. If you've ever seen a hunting dog, when they see a bird in the brush, their tail pokes out and they kind of almost point towards that bird. So we're gonna create a long line from your hand to your foot and in. Other side, opposite hand and foot, extend, flat back. Now, if you feel like your core is strong and you can stay nice and tight, come into a plank and do the same move. Using your core, your belly muscles. Nice flat back. So if I balance a drink on your back, you wouldn't want the drink to tip over. It has no lid. Try to move. Oh, it doesn't have a lid. We definitely don't want it to spill. All right. We're going to come to a standing position for a sun salutation and an up dog. Boys, scoot back a little bit. David's going to be in the front. Big inhale up. Exhale. Reach down toward your toes. Half lift. Bring your hands to your quads above your knees. Flat back. Like a number 7. Exhale. Down to your toes again. Step back into a plank. Come down to the floor like an alligator. You can drop to your knees here if you want. Elbows in, chaturanga. Up dog. Press your body away from the mat. Shoulders away from your ears, Michael. Make your neck up nice and long. Good correction. Toes under. Pressing your heels in. Now we're in down dog. Step it in. shoulder roll. Our next move is a monkey circle. We're gonna move laterally on the mat here. So we're gonna start on this side, crouch down, close to the mat, hands up, like you're gonna give someone a high five. You're gonna plant your hands down and swing your bottom over, up and down. You all right? So I wanna stay low, get down nice and low here, and up. You're doing a semicircle, pushing your body up. Nice job. Using your legs, using your arm muscles. Butt down a little bit more, Isaac. There you go. Monkey sounds are optional. Woo, woo. All right, we're gonna do a balance move now. Find your balance in a leg. We're gonna come up into a flamingo. Either here with your toe on the ground, at your calf, or up by your knee. Not putting any pressure on your knee. Use your core, which wraps all the way around your body to make you nice and tall. We're gonna switch halfway through. The sweat is dripping here. How about you? All right, let's switch sides. Find your balance. Engage your core. Nice tall posture. Don't let your core get out of balance here. Bring that leg up. No pressure on the knee. Because our knees, we need to protect those so they last us a long time. Nice job. I'm gonna grab myself a towel. Michael needs a towel too. Oh, he got one already. All right, crab crawl. Our hands are gonna be facing the same direction as our feet. We're gonna push our bottom up off the ground and walk the length of our mat forward and back. Isaac's a fast, noisy crab. Can you be a quieter crab? A hermit crab, yeah. Hermit crabs are actually really fast.
What is one crab called? Shells.
Horseshoe crabs?
Yes. Just like not even crabs. Yeah, they're really not good crabs.
Super stuffed crabs. Nice and soft. Michael's a fast crab. He's picking up his pace. We're not finished yet. Now we are. We're going to flip it over. Shake out your wrists if you need. So as we do more exercises like that, our wrists are going to get stronger and make it easier. Flip over onto your hands and knees. Cat and cow. Nice flat back here. Looking down at the floor. We're going to arch our back and then round the back. Arch. So when we arch our back and look forward, we're a cow. Moo. When we arch our back up, we're looking down at our toes. We're a cat. Meow. Animal sounds optional. Isaac says he's a hissing cat. He's an angry cat.
Because when they go like this.
When they arch their back, usually they are trying to scare somebody. This is a great back stretch. Doesn't that feel good? Donkey kicks. These are my favorite. Okay, so option one is going to be on your hands here. Flex foot kick here. Option two, we're going to plant our hands on the ground. Kick up. All right. I'm going to give you guys some space. Isaac, don't get too crazy with your donkey kicks, with your gymnastics. Nice job. Getting some air. Flexing the foot, we're engaging the back of the leg. We're also working our shoulders. This is a super fun move. Right, like a donkey. Flex those feet as you kick them up. Come on, boys, couple seconds left.
Or you're a horse and kick someone.
No, we're not doing horse today. That's not in today's workout. Couple more. All right, down dog to single leg down dog, and then we're gonna go into a pigeon. So step back into your plank, nice long line, press back into your heels. Pressing your heels to the floor, lift one leg up in your single leg dog. Now pull that leg through, perpendicular on the mat into pigeon. You can be off to the side or stretch that leg out. You're gonna feel it in the outside of the leg, yeah?
So downward dog.
Pull the leg through.
No.
Yep, pull it through. Now lean forward, stretch. Now, if this still feels good to you, take a big inhale and reach those arms a little bit further and allow your head to drop. David's not that bendy, so he's not gonna go down so far. We're gonna do that on the other side. Push back into your down dog. Pressing your heels to the floor. Lift your other leg up, single leg dog. Feed it through. Your leg is perpendicular. Now, the more straight your leg is compared to the other leg, the bigger the stretch. You should feel it in the outside of your leg. Drop your forearms down. Isaac, see if you can extend this back leg. Get a better stretch. Nope, not this one. That one's bent. Yep. Now bring your arms forward a little bit more. Reach. Are you feeling the outside of this leg? Isaac's like a wiggly worm today. Reach. Do you feel it? All right. Next move, we're going to come down on our bellies and make a starfish. A starfish has 5 points. Our head, our 2 arms, and our legs. Isaac knows this move already. We're going to reach our arms out. No, we're not doing both. Head up, arms out, legs out, squeeze your butt, and bring it down. Up, squeeze, and down. Up, squeeze everything. Arms out, get your chest off the ground, and down. Up, out, squeeze, down. Let's spread them out a little bit more. Squeeze, arms out, whoa, and down. Now, where are you feeling this, boys? In your core, your lower back of your core, making your back stronger. One more, squeeze, and down. Okay, so now we're gonna flip over and sit in a butterfly. Our legs are our butterfly wings, our heels are together. Make sure your sits bones, both your butt cheeks, are even on the floor. Nice tall posture. The closer your feet are to your body, the bigger the stretch. Now use your elbows, press down on your legs, lean forward. Our legs are like the butterfly. Both legs together, lean forward. Get that good stretch. You should be feeling this in your hip flexors here. Great job. Relax it for a second. Let's do it again. Press, lean forward a little bit more.
Sit on some back.
All right, we're going to do a balance pose now. It's called eagle. Stand up with me. We're going to cross our leg around the bottom. This way's better. And then we're going to take our hands, cross them, and wrap them around. Like an eagle on a perch. I think this is supposed to be the eagle's nose. I'm not really sure.
And cross your hands.
Yeah, mine looks like that too.
Then cross your.
Let's switch on the other side.
Cross your eyes.
Wrap your leg around the other way. Your arms around the other way. Find your balance. Try not to be wiggly in your core here. Balancing in that standing foot. Coming down to the floor. We only have 2 moves left. Coming down on your hands and feet. Prop yourself up like we did in bear. Now push back in a crouching tiger. From the crouching tiger right here, come into plank. Nice flat back, pressing through the palms. Now let's come back into turtle. On your knees, bring your hands behind you. Curl yourself up like a turtle shell. Reaching your arms back behind you. Feeling that good stretch in your back. Tucking your head close to the floor. Big shoulder roll. Let's come on up. Feet are parallel for our last move. Forward fold. Hang our hands down like an elephant. Elephant trunk. Reach towards the floor. Sway your hips back and forth to get that good stretch in your hips. Doesn't that feel good? Who can make an elephant sound? That was pretty good.
Bingo.
Roll it up. Great job, guys.
I'm bored.
Great job. Check your watch. If you had a timer on for today's workout. Remember to drink lots of water. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Good job, guys.
Good job.